everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is basically me pampering myself with the things I love to do the most. It has little glimpse of what I did on that particular day, so let's watch it. As you can all see, I went to the parlor, to the salon, and for the first time I tried waxing, which did not end up well because it hurted so bad, so I ended up doing the threading only. Went to the supermarket to buy my dinner for tonight. That's gonna be my dinner. Hello. 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 चलो बना बना बना. I actually bought some flowers for myself, gifting my own self. I love white flowers, white roses, especially. My future husband, if you're watching this video, then you don't need to buy me expensive gifts. Just buy me white flowers and I'll be all yours. So I basically had this whiskey bottle, and these bottles look really pretty, okay? So here I'm trying to decorate it, and nothing should be wasted, so also wrapping the paper again. I think it looks cute though. After that, I am taking a wipe to remove all the little hairs that have fallen on my face and neck while doing threading and waxing. After that, I wash my face, and after that I put on eyes. As you all know, you have seen on the pamper routine itself, I like to do this so my skin will come down because it goes through a lot, okay? চাফা কৰি আছো মাছ চিকিটো চাফা কৰি আছো আই. So my bathroom will be going through a little bit of renovation, and the makeup products that I keep there, on a regular basis और वीडियो के लिए जो मुझे लगता है थोड़ा थोड़ा मेकअप, तो मैं वहाँ पे रख देती हूँ बाथरूम में, so that I can get easily, you know, dress up and all the things. So I'm shifting the makeup products to the little space that I had in my wardrobe. Now it's shaving time. It's looking like a chimpanzee's body because I haven't shaved my legs from the least, I would say, 1 month because of this all exams going situation. टाइम ही नहीं मिला मेरे को, and now I'm doing it. So taking this Himalayas neem scrub to scrub my leg, I had a major accident when I was in 10th standard, and because of that, my legs, as you can see, are half my skin color and half dark. I was bedridden for more than a month, and it took a toll on my skin and body. But whatever, let's move on to masking. Now, usually, I have never seen people doing a mask on their legs, but I thought of doing one. ऐसे ही मन किया, and I'm applying this again same range का Himalaya का purifying neem face pack. Actually it's a face pack. The products I'm using is actually for face, but I'm using it in my leg. I think it's more safe. Time for shower. I'm laughing there because पानी बहुत ही ठंडा था and मैंने adjust नहीं होने दिया मेरे body के साथ. So yeah. And you already know what my shower routine is. So if you don't know, make sure you check the pamper routine video. Okay, so couple of days earlier I bought this stick loofah, which is like a natural loofah, and dude, it is so good. Like it's perfect for your back because usually that's one part जहाँ पे हमारे हाथ नहीं पहुँचते हैं, and it's really annoying. Okay, so I bought this when I saw this, and it's really working good, and it's also detachable, so it's another point. Yeah. For my face, I wanted something soft and not very harsh, and so I'm using the Plum Chamomile and White Tea face wash. It's really good. It's really soft and not very harsh. Usually, जो oily skin के लिए face washes आते हैं वो थोड़ा सा hard होते हैं, so it's really good. I really like it. Time for my dinner, and I bought this actually mango juice with chia seed inside it. It looks so aesthetic that I purchased it, and dude, it's so tasty. Like ever again I'm going to the supermarket, I'm gonna definitely buy more of this, and that's my baby, that's my Jess, that's my pup, that's my life, that's my everything. I don't know how I would survive without this little monster, but coming to my dinner, I'm eating these noodles from Samyang. These are the hot chicken flavor cheese noodles. थोड़ा सा पानी कम हो गया. I should have added some more water to it. It was like very uh, it became very hard. But dude, these noodles are so freaking spicy. Like so spicy, yet I still can't resist to eat myself more and more of it. यहाँ पे कुछ तो डाला जाता है जिससे आप resist नहीं कर पाते हो अपने आप को और खाने के लिए. I'm in love with this kind of noodles. For people who cannot eat spicy food, please do not think even of purchasing it and trying it, because you're gonna end up crying in your bathroom, okay? So please don't. That's our playtime actually. I make sure कि before going to bed I make some time कि मैं उसके साथ खेलूँ थोड़ी देर. Because dogs have more energy than humans, and energy को थोड़ा सा waste करना अच्छा होता है, so I prefer playing with her. Now it's time for masking. You know I love masking. So I'm using this face mask by Plum. It is their Illuminate So Smooth Frost Mask. I'm not gonna give the review on this video. There will be another video for it, so you need to wait, and when it is uploaded you need to watch it to get the honest opinion and honest review. But it looks exciting though because it is transparent. And now towards my last thing that I do before sleeping is watching Sam and Colby's video. I love haunted stuff, and watching them really makes me happy. Okay, they're fun to watch. If you don't watch Sam and Colby, and if you don't know them, you're under a rock. Okay, so you need to go and watch their videos. So that was me pampering myself with the things I love to do. Thank you so much for the love that you gave at my pamper routine video. I hope you like this video as well. These were just glimpses though. I'm gonna give you better videos in the future, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below what other videos you want me to do. And I'm gonna see you on my next video. Bye bye.
Hey, what happened?